CNC ATHENA, a YouTube user, was blown away by this Italian beast on wheels, and we can't blame them because this motorhome has more floor space than some apartments. It's like a mobile palace for racing teams. Inside, you'll find a lavish living space that can handle any occasion. Need to seal a deal? No sweat. Want to host a feast? Piece of cake. Craving some relaxation? You got it. The bathroom can fit a crowd for a sleepover, and the terrace is ideal for a grill party. No wonder, since this colossal home is 44 feet long and stretches to almost 20 feet wide. In just 30 minutes, plus it's chic, cozy, and full of handy gadgets. Starliner SL25. What if I told you that there is a Swiss company that can turn any ordinary truck into a luxurious motorhome? That's right. They have a factory in Portugal where they work their magic on vehicles from Iveco, Mercedes, and other brands. Choose from their existing designs or customize your own dream home on wheels. The result is a stunning motorhome that is 30.2 feet long and weighs 16,500 pounds. It has everything you need for a comfortable and convenient journey: a spacious bedroom or garage, a bathroom, a kitchen, a seating area, and swivel seats for the driver and navigator. And the best part is that you can control everything with a smart system that lets you adjust the bed, the awning, the lights, and more with just a touch of a button. Laramie stock combo. If you love horses and traveling, you'll be amazed by this trailer. It's not just a regular horse trailer, it's also a cozy motorhome with all the amenities. This trailer is a product of American ingenuity and craftsmanship. It's so versatile that the manufacturer says it can do anything, and they're not exaggerating. It's 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet high, and it can accommodate a whole family and their horses. It has a spacious bedroom, a relaxing lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, and a 15-foot area for the horses with insulation. It comes with everything you need, from furniture to appliances. The only thing you have to worry about is how to maneuver this beast on the road. Movable Roots Ward Tiny Home. Imagine living in a mobile home that is as cozy as a cottage. That's what this Australian design offers. With a length of 28 feet, it gives you 300 square feet of comfort and convenience. You can sleep in a cozy loft, cook in a spacious L-shaped kitchen, and shower in a large tiled bathroom with a view. You can also store your belongings in many clever places, such as under the stairs. You can even add an extra room for your work or hobbies. The style is sleek and modern, with LED lights and composite materials mixed with natural wood. This dream home on wheels can be yours for only $130,000. X4. If you love exploring the wild and rugged beauty of Australia, you need a camper that can handle any terrain. That's what this local company offers you: a powerful beast with 12 or 16 gears and a 180 horsepower engine. It's based on an Iveco daily chassis, but it's more than just a vehicle. It's a cozy home on wheels with a kitchen, a sofa, a large screen, a bathroom, and a big bed. You don't have to worry about running out of power or water either. You can get special elements that generate up to 7 kilowatts of electricity and solar panels to harness the sun's energy. You can also store up to 79 gallons of water in separate cells with filters, and you can enjoy the comfort of diesel heating and water heating in any weather. This is the ultimate camper for the ultimate adventure. Golden Sky JB Homes, Polish experts have a knack for mobile homes, as this quaint make cottage shows. It lets you embrace nature and discover new places while also cozying up on your sofa and watching your favorite TV show. The cozy abode has 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, a bathroom, a lounge, and a terrace. It keeps you warm and comfy with polyurethane insulation and underfloor heating, and it gives you stunning views of nature with its large windows. The model stands 8.2 feet tall and weighs about 35,200 pounds. A mobile home with modern craftsmanship, the company boasts, and they seem to be right. People want it, and about 2,000 of these homes have already been sold in 16 countries in Europe, so you'll have to wait for your mobile home for about 4 months after you order it. Dancer Cabrio, the market is full of choices. In the US, the demand for these vehicles has skyrocketed by several 100%. People are reimagining vacations, a publication observed, so it's important to offer them not just something big but also something unique. That's what this German company did. They took a standard modest-sized motorhome and added a roof that can slide open just like in a convertible. They didn't even have to rack their brains for a name and called it the Dancer Cabrio. And the idea is this: instead of being in separate rooms, the 4 people are always together, chatting, admiring nature. For the nights, curtains cover the windows, and the seats turn into a large sleeping area. Trial versions were made on the chassis of the Mercedes ATEHENA truck and the Fiat Ducato minibus. By the way, the Ducato was one of the most popular for motorhomes up to 7,716 pounds and accounts for 75% of the market, so German experts clearly have big ambitions. Coachman Sports Coach RD 402 TS, behold, a majestic motorhome that was born in the land of the free. It stretches over 41 feet and welcomes you with cozy comfort. You'll find everything you need and more: 2 bathrooms, a walk-in closet, a bedroom with a king-sized bed, and a spacious kitchen area. It's like a 5-star hotel on wheels. But that's not all. It also boasts a 50-inch LCD screen, a porcelain toilet, a washer and dryer, and heated seats with seatbelts for the driver and the passenger. The beast runs on a powerful Cummins diesel engine that can handle any terrain. It also has solar panels and a backup diesel generator to keep all the gadgets running. It can store 100 gallons of fuel and 89 and 52 gallons of water for different purposes. Whether you want to work remotely or explore the world with your kids, this is the ultimate coach for you, according to the maker.